Most camping stoves sold online are flimsy gimmicks that burn fuel quickly. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and left in the cold. Ever struggled to boil water while chasing wind and rain on a campsite? This video cuts through the noise and helps you pick confidently. Today, I'm going to be going over the best camping stove that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the One GS-3400P. Casual campers and emergency prep fanatics will appreciate its compact footprint, straightforward ignition, and dual fuel flexibility for varied gas canisters. The housing uses rugged metal construction with rounded edges and a compact footprint that fits snugly within a standard backpack pocket. Its overall height and width are thoughtfully proportioned to stabilize on uneven ground, reducing tipping during windy backyard cookouts. The unit supports 2 fuel options with a built-in regulator converter enabling propane cylinders or butane cartridges to deliver steady heat. An automatic piezoelectric ignition eliminates the need for lighters or matches, ensuring quick flames start with just a simple twist. Safety features include a cartridge ejection system and flame supervision that respond to irregular pressure, ejecting a cartridge to prevent hazardous buildup. In real-world tests, the stove maintained a steady simmer while boiling water times remained within expected ranges for compact camping stoves. Weighing under a compact weight range depending on the chosen fuel canister, it remains light enough to carry with a compact cooking kit. The included carrying case protects the stove during transport, and the durable finish resists scratches from camping gear and rough handling. Operating accuracy is aided by a precise heat dial and an easy-to-read flame scale for managing delicate soups and rapid boil requests. When placed side by side with a common Jetboil-style stove, the One offers more fuel flexibility at a similar footprint. The pros include exceptional dual fuel flexibility, reliable automatic ignition, and robust cartridge ejection safety that reduces user risk. The cons include higher price than basic single-fuel models and heavier weight when the fuel canisters are full. At number 4, we have the ODSD 2-burner stove. Freshly unboxed, the ODSD 2-burner camping stove feels rugged enough for hikers and families seeking reliable outdoor cooking. Constructed with a robust alloy frame and rust-resistant burners, it folds neatly to a compact footprint for easy transport. A windproof shield stabilizes the flame and reduces flare-ups, while a magnetic closure streamlines setup, locking the unit securely in seconds. Powerful dual burners deliver up to 20,000 BTU with 2 independently adjustable burners, letting you boil, grill, or fry with confidence. Folded, it measures roughly 10.63 by 9.06 by 5.12 inches and weighs about 4 pounds. The package includes a coffee stand and a durable stainless steel assembly with heat-proof shell and rust-resistant burners for lasting outdoor use. The windproof shield not only stabilizes the flame in gusty conditions, but also minimizes oil splatter, enhancing overall cooking safety. In field tests, the stove heated water rapidly and maintained stable flames even under light wind, demonstrating consistent performance across meals. 2 independently adjustable burners allow precise simmering and rapid searing, helping you manage heat to protect delicate sauces as well as fast searing. Compared to a standard entry-level 2-burner stove from a common brand, the ODSD offers superior wind protection and easier folding. The pros include excellent portability due to compact folding, powerful dual burners for versatile meals, and a durable stainless steel build. The cons include a premium price relative to basic stoves and a slightly bulkier footprint that may deter ultralight backpackers. If you cook with friends often and hike into campsites, the ODSD 2-burner camping stove delivers dependable power and durability. At number 3, we have the Coleman Triton Plus. From the first glance, this 2-burner camp stove signals rugged practicality for campers, tailgaters, and backyard BBQ enthusiasts seeking efficiency. The chassis combines a heavy-duty handle and rust-resistant aluminized steel with a removable chrome-plated grate that simplifies cleanup. Its compact footprint accommodates 12-inch and 10-inch pans, while built-in carry handle makes transport between campsites straightforward. With 22,000 BTUs of total cooking power and up to 1 hour burn time on a single 16-ounce cylinder. A push-button Insta-Start ignition provides instant lighting in any weather, enabling quick meal prep after a long day outdoors. Dual wind guards dramatically shield the burners from gusts, preserving consistent flame performance and saving fuel during blustery seaside or hillside cookouts. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to a removable chrome-plated grate and a rust-resistant aluminized steel cooktop that wipe clean easily. This stove is ideal for camping, beach cookouts, tailgating, and backyard barbecues, delivering reliable performance for regular weekend outdoor cooking. In testing, the perfect flow and perfect heat keep temperatures steady, reducing fuel consumption and enabling even simmering on both burners. Two independently adjustable burners allow precise temperature zoning, letting you simmer one pot while boiling another for efficient multi-dish meals. Compared to a standard single-burner stove, the Coleman Triton Plus delivers dual burners, wind guards, and quicker meals. The pros include powerful dual burners, InstaStart ignition, and removable chrome grate. The cons include heavier weight than compact models and requires carrying a separate propane cylinder. At number 2, we have the Coleman Classic Stove. From the moment you unbox it, the Coleman Classic Stove feels purpose-built for weekend campers, tailgaters, and hikers seeking dependable heat. It is lightweight and compact, designed to fit easily into a backpack or car trunk for flexible outdoor cooking on adventures. A carry case helps protect the stove during transit and simplifies setup when you reach your destination. InstaStart ignition delivers reliable one-touch lighting without matches, a significant advantage in windy or damp conditions. The stove produces 7,650 BTUs of cooking power, instantly heating a pan for meals while camping. A porcelain-coated grate is removable for quick cleanup, and the rust-proof aluminum burner promises lasting durability. The large base stabilizes the unit during stirring or simmering, reducing wobble on uneven campsite surfaces. Wind protection comes from a wind baffle that shields the flame, improving heat performance in breezy outdoor conditions. The unit is designed to fit a single 10-inch pan, keeping heat focused and avoiding crowding on the cooking surface. In real-world testing, burn time reaches about 1.25 hours on high from an 8.8-ounce cylinder. When placed against a competing two-burner model from a rival brand, the Coleman Classic Stove offers lighter weight and simpler operation. The pros include lightweight build, InstaStart reliability, and easy cleanup. The cons include one-burner design and butane cylinders sold separately. At number 1, we have the One Butane Camping Stove. From the unboxing of the model GS-1000G, you sense a purpose-built design aimed at outdoor kitchens. The solid metallic exterior and compact dimensions promise effortless transport while preserving stability on uneven surfaces, which is crucial for campsite safety. The stove targets campers, hikers, and emergency kits who demand reliable heat with minimal setup time, weather resilience, and simple operation. Its dimensions and weight keep it unobtrusive in backpacks while maintaining sturdy construction for frequent campsite use everywhere you go. Built around a stable base and precise flame regulator, it resists tipping and provides consistent performance on rocky ground. Designed to run with 8-ounce butane canisters only, the stove optimizes fuel flow for steady simmer and rapid boil. The stove delivers 7,650 BTU of heat, ensuring fast boils and reliable searing during outdoor meals. It carries CSA-approved safety certification and includes a fuel cartridge injection safety feature that ejects the canister if pressure spikes. The piezo-type electric starter with safety shutoff eliminates matches and lighters, simplifying ignition while protecting users. In field testing, boil times rival similar compact stoves, proving efficient fuel use and practical performance under real camp conditions. Noise remains minimal as the burn is clean, and the output stays steady even during breezy afternoons at the site. Compared with the Jetboil Minimo, this Gas One stove boils water nearly as fast while offering lower price and a more compact case. The pros include exceptionally high heat output for fast cooking, reliable automatic ignition, and a convenient carrying case for effortless transport. The cons include a higher price point when compared to basic models and ongoing reliance on 8-ounce canisters which may limit versatility.